guys, what I want to show you guys today is shiitake mushrooms braised in soy sauce. We need 8 dried shiitake mushrooms, but I want to show you guys something. I think this is the reason why sometimes the recipe fails, because look at the difference between these two. See how small this is as compared to this? So I will say this is about a medium size. So this recipe is developed with medium size shiitake mushrooms. We're going to soak the rinsed mushroom in 1.5 cups of water. So when you're soaking, make sure the stem part is soaked in water completely. If the stem is not rehydrated, so that part where it connects right there will be really dry and hard. This way it will take about an hour and a half in cold water. I've gone ahead and soaked some mushrooms earlier this morning, so they're ready. You can see how plump they are, even on the stem part. And I'm going to squeeze out the water. 3/4 cup. Now I'm going to remove these stems. Oh, by the way, I've tried using the fresh shiitake mushrooms. I prefer to make it with the dried one, because dried mushrooms have a better ability to soak up the braising liquid. Piece of kelp. The mushroom soaked water, kelp. Close the lid. Okay. Skim off the scum that you see. So now I turned off the heat completely. I'm going to take out the kelp. Turn the heat back on high because I want to boil everything. The sugar, vinegar will be added at the end. So now the sugar has melted completely. It's time to add all the mushrooms. Okay, now we're going to close the lid and braise for 15 minutes. But at 7-minute mark, I'm going to open the lid for the liquid to evaporate. Right now it's on medium low. 7 minutes. The medium low or the low will be a good heat setting. And no mushrooms stuck. So we have about a minute to go, so right now is a good time to add the vinegar. I'm going to stir so all the mushroom will be coated in the vinegar. It looks nice, nicely braised. Yep. So it's ready. So I'm going to let this cool. So let me slice. Yeah, so you can see how the braising liquid all soaked up nicely. So this works really great as bibimbap topping or salad topping. Any salad that uses Asian style salad dressing, this will go really well with that. And let me make a rice bowl with this. Bowl of rice, top it with sliced mushroom, the scrambled egg. We're going to add some greens. See how easy that was? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye bye.